Hello student, let's move on our new topic HTML element and HTML tag. We can say element or tag. So in HTML we use elements or tags. So that's standard keyword in the web page. Okay, which defines how the web browser should format and display the content. So you already know there are two parts for the opening and closing part. So we open any element or any tag and we should close that tag. So for an example, HTML is an opening tag while slash HTML is a closing tag. Correct. So for the closing tag, we use a forward slash. Okay. So there are some tags which do not need closing tag. All the HTML files must have the necessary tag for it to be valid and it's so that can website can be accessed and can understand and it display it properly. So there are HTML element we can define. For example, we can say starting with the HTML tag or this element, and is this element has some content that ends with the closing tag, correct? So in the heading tag or heading, we generally document starts with heading tag and heading element are used to give a title or subtitle to our required size. Okay. So it depends upon, or we can say it's a required this different size as per their importance, right? So as we told earlier, we discussed earlier HTML markup language and makes user various tag of format in the content. So this tag enclosed within the angle, it's a in tag name, correct? And we can say that for the heading tag, there are 6 elements. So those are 6 elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, 6 are used to giving heading. Correct. So it's give the size or are used to for the heading. So when any of heading tag is used, one line before and one line after the heading is added by the browser. So this H1 is the biggest heading tag while H6 is the smallest heading tag. Hence, H1 should be used for the most important heading text and H6 also most important heading text. For an example, we can write a simple program for that. So, let's start our new program with new file. Okay. So, let's start our program with this document HTML. Okay, this one is starting type. Sorry, document name doc type. Doc type. So let's start with our HTML tag. HTML. So starting tag. Then your head tag. HEAD. So we mention our head. Correct. Then we give a title for our page. The title tag. We can say it's an index. Or this we can say for college. So we create a college ID. So also, I'm sorry, also college. Okay. Then we close this title. So let's save this file first of all. We will save this file using .html extension. Correct. For this file, we will write index.html. Okay. So let's save this file first of all. I will save my file in E folder or E driver, but where it's okay. So let's save here. It's a index.html. Correct. Save it. Yeah. So you can see that the color is changed. Then we close this head tag. Right. Now we write this body tag. Oh, correct. And then in body tag we should write all the content which we want to write in our website. So let's start with h1 tag. In h1 tag we give heading space first. Correct. Then we close our h1 tag. We close this. Let's just copy this tag and we will write another tag also here. Just paste it. Okay. We will change this number because we want h1 tag, h2 tag, h3 tag. So that's why just change those number for all tags. Okay. We open h1 tag, we close h1 tag. We open h2 tag, then we close h2 tag. Similarly, we write all the tags here, h1 to h6. So this one is a h5 tag. So you can see all the difference between all those tags. Okay, those are your tag. Okay, then we will close this body tag. As I told, we always close each and every tag using close tag. So we close HTML tag also. Now we save this file and let's run this file. Okay, where we save our file in eDriver. Okay, so index is our file name. Right click upon it and we can open this file and run this file on Google Chrome. It will run. Just wait a second. So we run our program and we can see that those HTML which we write in our program, HTML1, HTML2, head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So those are printed like this. So this is the size H1 and this is the size of H6. So it's pretty good. We can use this tag in our program. Okay. So let's move on our next point. So after heading, we move our paragraph. So we can use p tag for the paragraph. So using p tag, we define the paragraph in a HTML. Okay. So this is the structure of our text in different paragraphs. We use paragraph p for the opening tag, and we use a slash paragraph p for the closing tag. So let's write it here. If I want to write single para or paragraph, for that let's write welcome welcome to welcome to engineering college. Okay, that's it. Let's see. Save this file and we will run this file. You can reset. Welcome to engineering college. It's printed after all the heading. Correct. If I want to write another p tag, so I will write it here after p tag. That's mean your new line will be start with the new para or next line. This is, let's say, another statement for that in p tag. This, oh, I'm so sorry. This is computer department. Okay, let's end our tag here. P, your second paragraph is completed. Let's run this program. Yeah. So you can see that we wrote two lines. First one is a welcome to engineering college, and second one is a this is a computer department. So if we want to write these two lines in first and then we start this heading command, so we can write this if we want use this with the P1 tag. Okay, let's write it here. This one is my P tag, and then I will again write this H1 tag. Okay, let's write it here, and I will close this tag with this. Let's see what happened. Can we get our output using this method? Yeah, you can see that I'm using this P tag first of all on that comment, and I write the H1 tag for also here for our heading. So my heading is welcome to my engineering college, and its size is a same as the H1 tag heading 1, and welcome to engineering college is the same size, correct? So this is the difference. This will be you write your paragraphs. Okay, so I will give you another example. If I delete this p tag, let's see what happened. Okay, I deleted this tag. Okay, let's see. And we get, yeah, you can see the difference before and after. Before my run this program, after I run this program, we will get those two lines equally in a same line, correct? But if we write here in again p tag, so this line goes to in new line, correct? It start with the new line. Yeah, you can see this. It start with the new side. So it's the difference where you use a paragraph tag for you are creating new paragraph or new line, but it's not new line. It's you have to write this for the paragraph. Okay, for the paragraph or new line, you can break your paragraph or your information using break tag. So that's it today lecture. We will end this lecture here, and next lecture we will see basic tags like line break tag, color, font. How can we change our color? Okay. Thank you for today's lecture.